Welcome to Forno Appliance technical support video.
In this video, I'm gonna show you how to replace the freezer fan.
Disconnect the power cord.
Open the top drawer. Remove the screws holding the drawer with the rails. Remove the drawer. Pull out the back plate of the freezer. Disconnect the two wires. Then remove the cold air duct from the freezer compartment. Unclip the clip holding together the two plastic parts of the cold air duct. Unscrew the screw holding the two parts together. Remove the fan. Now with the new fan, rescrew the fan. Place back the wires. Place back the two plastic parts together, making sure it's properly clipped together and that the wires are passing through. Replace the cold air duct inside the freezer compartment. Replug the two wires. Place back the cold air duct and firmly press on it, making sure it's back on position. This completes the replacement of the freezer fan.